Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kemi and I work with Button Up Accessory, and you can also get me at Button Up Niger TV. With me today I have Mr. Salami. Mr. Salami, can we meet you?
Thank you very much. Good
You're
morning.
welcome. Good morning, Mr. Matthew.
Thank you. I'm a Matthew Salami.
Okay.
Fashion Tech.
Oh, you're a fashion designer. How long have you been into this business?
I think it's almost 1982.
Wow, 1982 up to now, and you are still working.
Yes,
That
of
should be
course.
40 years above 40 years ago.
Thank you.
So you're welcome to this program.
Thank you.
Today, Mr. Salami is going to teach us how we can fix machine motor on straight sewing machine. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do make a comment, subscribe, share it, and like it. And in case you have something from me to show you or to teach you how to do, please contact me. So, Mr. Salami, back to us. Can we see how we can fix this thing on our straight sewing machine? And this is machine motor, and it has like three components. It has machine belt. You will see this there. Once you buy a machine motor, and the purpose of it is not to use your pedal. Some people don't know how to use pedal, so they prefer using machine
Small
motor
remote.
to make it more so faster. Is that not the purpose?
Of course.
So to sew faster, you can use machine motor, and this is it. And we have the component here. You see here, and you see this one. So Mr. Matthew is going to show us. Okay,
Thank
this is
you.
it, sir. You're welcome, sir.
We are going to remove this one.
Okay,
So bring
okay.
this thing out.
Sorry, let me help you out, sir.
The
And
bolt.
this is the bolt. We've removed it from this.
We are going to use it tight motor
Okay.
on the machine.
Are we seeing the way he's doing it? You can
Have you
continue.
seen it?
You can continue.
Okay. Thank you.
So he's trying to fix motor,
Machine.
the motor on our straight sewing machine. He's fixing
After,
it. Okay.
we are going to use this one.
The
This is the
belt,
this is the
machine
belt.
belt. Okay.
Bring
All right. There. Okay, it will
bring
enter.
it like this. Use
So
it
we need
like
to
this
get up and see the way he's doing it.
and tight it small.
Okay.
So
So
we
what
have to
again?
we are going to use the pedal.
Okay. This is the pedal. And don't forget, you can get this machine motor in the market. You can get it in Lagos market, Agege market, Yanopaja market, and you can get it at our store too, Button Up Accessory Store.
We have to bring this one. Come this way.
Okay.
Bring this one. Put it like this.
Okay, it will enter that place.
Bring
No,
the
show that it has three dots you can see. So it's going to enter, and here is also three dots, so you can fix it, Mr.
so
Matthew.
you enter this piece.
Okay.
Bring the plug.
Okay.
Come to the
You can bring the plug. Let's see.
come to the
It's
light.
trying to plug it so that it will function.
After
She has
plug,
power and function it.
put leg.
So it's running. So you don't need to use. Can we just see, in case you don't want to use this motor and you want to use your pedal? Let's see how it will go. So that's it. That's it. So you can contact us in case you have challenge, or just make your comment. I can even call Mr. Salami for you to explain better to you. And but Mr. Salami, is it so difficult for someone to do machine motor, to fix it on a straight sewing machine?
It's not difficult.
It's not difficult. I think less than 2 minutes you can
Yes,
fix it.
of course.
So Mr. Salami, thank you for coming. But I will quickly ask you, what kind of music do you enjoy?
I'm enjoying Christian music.
Oh, Christian music. So can we just please can we just give us Christian music? I think Mr. Salami needs to dance, you know. We can't just be walking, walking, walking. We need to relax a little bit. We are waiting. You can leave this.
The lead is the extra.
Don't worry. Okay, Mr. Salami, just let's see the way we can dance. This is your music. Thank you. Watch for another. Press notification button to watch another video coming soon. Thank you. Bye. Mr. Salami,
Thank you.
anything?
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.